Hey there, my name's Elijah with SSEO. We're a digital marketing company here in Springfield. I was doing some research in the area and came across your website. I talked with Jennifer, and I believe that's who's going to be watching this video. So, hi, Jennifer. Hope you're having a great day. I'm going to keep this short so that way you don't waste too much time of your day. I'm going to give you 3 quick tips on what you can do to get yourself ranked higher on Google. And if you want to use those, great. If not, then I'm not going to waste too much of your time with this small video. All right, so the 3 things we're going to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing is content. Content is everything here on your front page of your website. It's anything from the amount of words you have, your location, phone number, even in the pictures there are words on the back end that are used for keywords and content that Google can see. So you want to aim to have about 1,500 words of content on your front page. That will let Google use their algorithm to pick it up and rank it higher inside of their algorithm. From there, we're going to talk about citations. So citations are, if we do a Google search for dentist Springfield, Missouri, normally we have a bunch of ads up here at the top. There isn't any showing right now for whatever reason, but those aren't always a reliable source of income. A lot of people will skip past them. I know I do myself. So then you come down to the map section here, which has the highest businesses that are ranked here. So the rank high here, you need to have a lot of citations. Citations are your business name, address, phone number, and all your services in an online directory. A directory is a page such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook, so on and so forth. You can get your name and your business name on there and try to match as many as you can that your competitors have, so that way you can outrank them. And then if you can, find even more, so that way you can go above them and they can't catch up to you. The next thing we have is backlinks. So if we come down here to the organic section, in the organic section, there are 2 ways to get yourself ranked higher. One is to have unique content, which is what we talked about in the first step. And then the other thing is backlinks. So if we come over here to a little tool that's called Ahrefs, we can see what type of backlinks you guys have. So you have 711 backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some of them will get you a lot of traffic. Some of them won't get you very much at all. So here, your Yellow Pages, that's 0 traffic right there. But expertise, 9 best Springfield dentists, specifically that article, that gave you 20 clicks of traffic. So if you can find websites that get lots of traffic in the area, they will be a stronger backlink. And there are different ways you can get a hold of backlinks, which is a whole nother topic of conversation. Another thing is how many citations we can see you have, and you have 25 citations here. If we go over to your top competitor, they have 144 citations and then 558 backlinks. So they have quite a bit more in the citation range, which is why they're ranking a lot higher than you. So that's definitely something you're going to want to look at. Another thing is your organic keywords. So on your website, you have 44 keywords. On their website, if we look, they have over 3,000 keywords. So that's another reason that they're ranking so high. So if that's something you guys are interested in, you guys can feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. And my number is here on the page. Like I said, just give me a call if there's any questions, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Thank you. Have a good day.